The carrot cake is famous on the island.
The recipe goes back to the 1940s. I guess it was somebody said, hey, Grandma makes this great recipe, let's try it.
It tastes sweet. I like the cinnamon. Always reminds me of back home. It's like a treat, very special treat. So every time we make carrot cake, everybody wants a piece. You know, it tastes really good. It's like gold over here.
The carrot cake here at Rikers is made for special occasions. It's made for Thanksgiving, it's made for Christmas, also Mother's Day, and as of most recently, Father's Day. I mean, obviously there's carrots. You've got quite a few different ingredients, walnuts, and you've got raisins. You can taste a very sweet flavor. It's something that is very light, yet filling. It sort of takes all the nuances of the holidays and you know, packs it all into a piece of cake so that you can really enjoy it. For Christmas, we will make approximately 500 loaves that'll be served to the inmate population as well as the staff.
The bakery is a very good job to have. It's not like in a restaurant where you're constantly moving, constantly working, constantly trying to be on time at all times. Over here is more nonchalant, more calm.
We do basically just bread on a daily basis and the carrot cake for the holidays. When the inmates come to work in the bakery for the first time and they see me, they would say, oh, you're the lady that handles the cakes. Can we have cake today? And sometimes every day they ask the same question. When are you giving us cake? You know, once I come in the back, they see me come in the back, they come and they're willing to help with anything, anytime.
I think I might recreate the recipe there, bring it out there to the world. It's a pretty good cake.